To my channel. My name is Scarlett. This is my little sister, Catalea. And today, guys, we have a special guest. It's my cousin Nathan. So, guys, he's really shy, but today we're going to be showing you how to make fluffy slime. So, these are the ingredients we have. We have white Elmer's glue. We have shaving cream. We have glitter. And we have activator. Why this is backwards? Because like that. So guys, first we're going to add in our glue. We're only need a little bits of glue. Oh no, that's good. Okay. A little bit more activator for us. Your line is starting to form into slime. It's starting to not get super sticky. This is how my hands are. Yeah. Their hands are good, but starting to get better. It's starting to form into like a fluffy slime. Really fluffy. So this is how mine is right now in the bowl. Me too. I can't show you guys because of my hands. I don't want to get the bowl messy. So we're just gonna keep kneading it until I slime. Until our glue forms into slime. I need some activator. That's activator. Oh yeah. Oh, get this off. Oh, it just keep on mixing it until it forms into slime. Keep on mixing it. I don't know. My shoulders hurt. So guys, my mom had to pause the video because we had a problem. It didn't start activating. But our slime will be activated in 3, 2, 1. Our slime looks like. So guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and smash that bell button. Bye!